Hi, hi everyone. This is Tech Guy here. Hope all of you doing great. Okay, so already you have seen in the content, video content. Like today we are discussing about the list data types in Python. So even though we have some methods on the list, I mean functions, that for those I'll attach another video that also you can see. But in this video we'll just discuss about what are the basic functionality of the list. Okay. First, we just want to know what is the list. Okay, so list is just a type, data types, and used used to used to store the elements, store store the sorry store the store the elements. Okay, this basically can understand. Okay, so I will take some examples for the list. For example, I have one more thing I would like to say, that list we will represent like this, the square bracket. It means we can call this a empty list. Empty list. Example, now I have the list. See here, this is list. Can you see here? Here the color is purple color. It's based on ID. The color will be the change. So here, if I can take like this L1, whatever I can take. So here I'm just taking the list one. Just taking the list one. List one is equal to. I'll add some elements like 10, 20, 30, 40, then 50. Five elements I added. Now I just want to print those elements. I just want to check the type of the list. What I will do here, first I will execute these three lines at a time. See here, you can see. First of all, here you just see. Okay, just one sec. Here I need to check the type actually. Okay, so I got to list. Okay, here you just check the type of is a list. Here we can see the list elements is 1 2 like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here now here you see list name is list 1, then type is list, then size is 5, and then this is 10, 20, 30, 40. If I'll click on this one, see, you'll get like this 0 in, as I said, you index will start from 0, right? Here you can see 0 1 2 3 4. I have the 5 elements in the list, but the index will start from 0, so it will take 0 to 4. Okay, now as all we know already, like we know here we are using the indexing. So already we know indexing is there, means order is very important, right? So here we can do the slicing also. That means we can perform slicing in the list. Slicing we can do. Slicing we can do list. So now what we will do, already we have list, right? So I will take like list one up. You know how to do. We need to take square bracket. Then if I want a, if I'll type 2 here, so what I will get, 0 1 2, I should get 30 here. So 30 I got it. You can see in the output 30 we have got it. Now for example, here we can apply the range also. If indexing is there, obviously we can apply range. First I will apply like this -1. If I'll take -1, means it will take the last one. It will start from this side, last one. So -1 means 50 I got it. Now example, if I want to take like this list one of, okay, I'll start from first, then I'll end with 4. Okay, so how it will come? Okay, and with 3 also I will take. 3 means it will take, start from 1, that means 0, this 1, then third will not be included, So 0, 1, 2, 3 will not include. So 10, 20 and 30 should be there in my output. So as soon I will execute, see I got the 20 and 30 in the output. So slicing we can do because order is important. That means slicing already will be there. Then one more thing we just want to see, can we add duplicate elements in the list? Yes, of course we can add the duplicate elements in the list. So for example, I will take another list. Okay, I will take list 2. Then I will add some elements in the list like 10, 20. Sorry, 10, 20, 20. Just to check like 10, 40. Then I will take 20. Here we can see duplicate elements are there in the list. Okay, so now what I will do here, I want to print the list 2. See here we can add the duplicate elements in the list. See, there is no problem. 2 we can add it. For example, if I want to get the output of list 2 of start from 2 end with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there, so I'll end with 4. So how it will take? You can see 3, 30, 10. Start from 0, 1, 2, 2 is there, 3, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 10, 30, these things, these two items it will take. Like this we can see. Slicing is, we can take it, no issue. And even though we have some more functionality, so duplicates already we can add, no issue with that. And it's heterogeneous. One more thing I would like to say, the list is heterogeneous. It's a very important concept. We should know heterogeneous. Heterogeneous data types. The list is heterogeneous data types. Data heterogeneous in the sense we know it's not like that you need to add like integer only. See, this is list. You can add like 10, 20. Then you can add with strings like Rahul. You can add minus 100, comma 0, comma anything you can add. Anything we can add in the list. So list is heterogeneous data types. Here 10, 20, Rahul, this one. So anything we can add. And one more thing I would like to say, yet list is growable in nature. For that also we will do one thing. For example, I'll take one list 1 equal to, I will add my element like 10, 20, 20. I've taken. Now I want to check what is my size and how to check a size in the list. We have one is len function already we have discussed in the string also. So I just want to check the len of that is list 1. So here what we will do is we'll check the len is 3. 3 means 1, 2, 3 length, as I said length. Okay, so here okay, then can I add another elements means list. I'll take the list 1 dot append. We have one method append. This append method, and even though we have some 10 to 15 methods, for those I'll make another video, but just clarifying this some concept that I'm just taking them, those methods that I will tell you later. Okay, so now I have list 1 dot append method. Append method means what I want to add. If you want to add something, then you take in string. Now if I want to add like this, you can take. Okay. So this here also you can see I added one elements here. Okay, if you want to display here, you can write like type list 1. You can type here list 1. And one more thing I would like to tell you, here also you can write it. If you write directly here also list 1, you will get the same output. This is the best benefit to using the spider. You get the output in console pens also. Even though you can type here like directly list also, then also you will get the output. Select it and then like this also you will get the output. Okay, even though, so it's growable in nature in the sense, now if I want to check the size of this nature, sorry, list, then len of So earlier size was 3, now the size is 4. We can see size is 4. Here also we can see 1 2 3 was there earlier, now it's added one more element. It's Gandhi, so it's got another things. Okay. Okay, can we add to list? Yeah, of course we can add to list, in the sense okay, I'll take just one sec. For example, I have one list, anything I say list one is equal to, I have like 10 20 comma 30. Okay, then I have another list, this L2, that I have, this is Raj, this is, okay, this is 55. Okay, can we add elements? Yeah, like this we can take L3 equal to L1 plus L2, then L3, then print of L3 we will give. So here you just see, here we can see, here we can see 10 20 30 Raj, anything we can. So here you just see, here type also is list. So like this we have a number of facilities in the list. Okay, and even though, as I said, you functions will be for another video, you can see in the functions, because we have a number of methods like append method, replace, so many methods, remove methods, even though counting and also many methods. So in the next video we'll discuss all the method, delete methods also. We have delete method also. For example, if I want to delete also, we will do it. Okay, so in this video this much only. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please share with your friends this video, even this video link also, and ask them to subscribe the channels. As more as our subscribe will be there, we'll be getting motivation from you guys, and we'll make another more and more videos on another topics. Even though we'll discuss on that Python advanced also and data science also. Okay, okay, have a good day. Bye bye, thanks.